This is BBC, interrupted all regular programming. A nuclear strike against the UK has been confirmed. And London, Manchester, Birmingham, and Leeds areas, they will all be evacuated urgently. If you are in these areas, the police will lead you to a safe place for shelter. Follow police orders without question. If you are outside these areas, stay home until further notice from police. Normally used telephone lines will be disconnected for military use. You should prepare for a nuclear attack. Now, please pay attention to any instructions we give. 1. Prepare food, water, toiletries, clothing, medicine, battery-powered radio, battery, and citizen document. Please ensure that these items are sufficient for the next 14 days or more. Make sure the battery-powered radio is available, to ensure you can listen the information and the all clear. If you have prepared all these items, or shelter in your own home, please ensure that the room in your shelter can withstand a nuclear strike. Build shelter in the most central, lowest point of your home. If you have a basement, go there for shelter. Remember, you and your family will be here for at least 14 days. You cannot leave your shelter unless you absolutely have to wear a dust mask when you have to go out. Fallout from a nuclear strike can cause death. Fallout can spread across the country, and it can travel hundreds of miles. There will be fallout even in remote areas. Stay away from all doors and windows. And turn off the gas completely. Gas tanks must be kept out of your shelter. Once it explodes, your shelter will be destroyed and you'll die from the fallout. Collect water now. Water service will be cut off to prevent dust contamination. And we need water every day. Also try to collect canned water, and if you don't have canned water, collect a lighter or matches. Tap water requires cooking to be edible. And this is the main effect of nuclear strikes, heat and blast. People in main cities are more likely to be targeted. They are being evacuated because the detonation range of a nuclear strike is at least a 5-mile radius. Police in the area were unable to evacuate everyone. A siren will sound to warn you that you are within the blast radius and you should shelter in a safe place. And those who didn't hear the siren should stay home because it is not within this blast radius. What you should be doing is building an inner shelter. Attention! We now confirm the trajectory of the missile. Where the missiles came from is still unknown. Those within the blast radius are London, Manchester, Leeds, Birmingham, Glasgow, and Belfast. If you are within a 10-mile radius of any of these cities, please evacuate now. Please evacuate now. Sirens have begun to sound, which also means that there are only 4 minutes left before the nuclear attack. Not doing so now will only lead to death. That's all from the BBC. You only have 4 minutes. Seek shelter now. Seek shelter now.